This is our 2017 Maserati Ghibli. It's in the best engine choice, the 3-litre turbo diesel with 270 horsepower, 0 to 16 around 5.9 seconds. It's finished in the absolute best colour, the bianco triple pearlescent white. It's fantastic. Definitely the most desirable colour to have. It's got a load of options, this car, around £10,000. It's got the 20-inch wheels with the gloss black calipers with the Maserati logo on them. Just had new brake pads. Recent set of Hankook tyres all round. It's also just had its MOT. It's got a full Maserati service history. One owner from new. He bought it from, I think it was actually pre-registered to the dealer first. Bought it when it was a few months old. This is a 2017 facelift. It's got the updated interior media system. And because it's actually March 17 as opposed to April, your annual road tax is only £200 as opposed to £450. So it's a win-win on that respect. It's a fantastic looking car. There's not many white ones, certainly not many in the bianco tri-pearlescent paint about, and when we get them in this colour they always sell quickly because it's a very desirable colour scheme. So it's a 2017, as I said, and with it being the March car, like I said, you save on your vehicle road tax being considerably lower, and with it being a diesel as well, you get that fantastic efficiency of a diesel, so you get plenty MPG, and it actually sounds pretty fruity as well, believe it or not. They've engineered the exhaust note to sound good. It's in immaculate condition other than the usual few little curb marks around the wheels. This is actually a commission sale, so I'm selling it. It's a sale or return vehicle. I'm selling it on behalf of a very good friend of mine. So it's his personal car for the last 3 years. Look at that gaping grille on the Mazda. Means get out of the way. It's definitely a very iconic grille that stands out. Got those lovely triple vents there on the front wings. And then the Maserati Trident on the rear quarter. Moving on to the interior, so let's have a look inside. So you got power tailgate, boot area, nice good size. Then you've got the full black leather interior with the white stitching. Maserati Trident on the headrests, the rear vents, and you've got the lovely piano gloss black and aluminium trim, and very nice feature here, you've got the frameless door, so the glass is completely frameless, almost like a coupe. Very nice touch there from Maserati. And then the same on the front door as well. Actually double glazed as well, so you can see the thickness there, the two panes. It's a beautiful car. Maserati logo on the entry sill plate there. And you've got your power folding wing mirrors, window adjust. You've got the memory settings for the electric seats. That was a nice option to have rather than the manual. This has also got the heated seat option. Believe it or not, that is an option. I once bought a Ghibli without heated seats. Big mistake. Didn't realise it was an option. Inside, really nice place to be. You've got the Trident on the steering wheel. You've got the big aluminium shifters for the gear panels. Obviously, you don't need to use those. You can just use the gear shifter there. Auto lights. Let's just close the door. You've got the Trident on the aluminium pedals as well. If we start it up, which is with this start button here, 25,000 miles, huge touchscreen. You don't get this on the previous shape, so this is the facelift one. Obviously here you've got all your cup holders, storage, an additional storage here. Glove box, book pack, and obviously your gear selectors here. So for example, you can select reverse. You've got the reverse camera, which is a great option to have. You've got this lovely Ghibli branding here. You can put the car into manual mode if you fancy driving a bit sporty. Increase control and efficiency mode, that is the ICE button. And then sport obviously does what it says on the tin. It actually changes the exhaust now. I don't know if you can hear that. Actually changes the note to make it a bit deeper. So yeah, it sounds a lot. Doesn't sound like a diesel at all. And obviously suspension can be altered as well. Really nice car, this. Really nice. A lot of car for the money as well. Going back to your central screen, it's all touch screen. So obviously you've got your radio, media, so you can play Bluetooth, auxiliary USB, SD card. Obviously you've got map as well, so you can show that on top of the media screen. That's your navigation, and then you've got phone if you want to connect, climate, and that takes you to the main menu. Driver's heat, very important button, like I say. Don't buy one without heated seats, that's an option. User guide, and that's pretty much it, folks. So that is our 2017 Maserati. You've got the lovely Maserati analog clock there. Feels great. Good old-fashioned timekeeping. It's in lovely condition, the car. Loads of options. The facelift really is a fantastic bit of kit. Well maintained. We do offer nationwide delivery to your door if you want. We also offer finance packages. If you want a finance package on this car, you can do that. And in addition to that, we of course offer warranty options as well. So to discuss any of those things with me, just give me a call or an email or a text, and I'll be happy to discuss that with you. Like I said, the car is pretty much immaculate, other than a little bit of curbing to the edge of the wheels. As you can see, there's a little bit on each wheel, but nothing that would stand out. That's about it. Other than that, you've got a stunning Maserati Ghibli. Thank you very much for watching. Subscribe to our YouTube channel, and I will see you on the next video.